Stablecoins, the evil stepbrother to a Cbdc. You're working 2 or 3 jobs just to make ends meet. You're choosing between paying rent and buying groceries. And while you were distracted just trying to survive, Congress pulled the trigger on your money. They didn't need a central bank digital currency. They just legalized its evil stepbrother, a stablecoin. A fake digital dollar built by Wall Street and big tech. Not for your convenience, for your control. They called it the Genius Act, but there's nothing genius about it. It's a trap. And it just became law. It's not money, it's not legal, it's not safe. It's a counterfeit dollar in digital drag. A Silicon Valley token wrapped in a red, white, and blue filter. And what backs it? 37 trillion in national debt. A treasury printing 1 trillion every 100 days. And Wall Street's favorite tools. Blind faith and duct tape. It doesn't stabilize anything. It destabilizes freedom. Stablecoins aren't created by Congress. They're not printed by the Treasury. They're not even controlled by the Fed. They're created by private corporations. Circle, PayPal, BlackRock, Tether, JP Morgan, Bank of America. Unelected, unaccountable firms now hold the keys to the next version of your money. Congress didn't regulate the system. They outsourced it. They handed America's monetary power to Wall Street and Silicon Valley and called it progress. There's a reason they rushed this through Congress. The world is walking away from the dollar. China is dumping treasuries. Russia is dumping treasuries. Japan, our biggest foreign creditor, is dumping treasuries. Saudi Arabia too. Why? Because they see what Washington won't admit. Our spending is out of control. Our debt is out of control. And the dollar has been weaponized so many times, the world is tired of eating what we're serving. So they're dumping our debt. And Washington is panicking. We're $37 trillion in the hole, adding another trillion every 100 days, and someone has to buy that debt. Foreign nations won't do it anymore. So they found a new sucker, you. Here's the play. You deposit real dollars. They give you a fake digital coin. Your cash gets funneled straight into treasuries. The corporations pocket the 5% interest. You get 0. They get rich. You get risk. And when it collapses, too bad. No FDIC, no protection, no recourse. You don't own money anymore. You own a leash that's monitored, tracked, traced, and tightened whenever they choose. Don't kid yourself. This isn't about convenience. It's about compliance. Stablecoins are the perfect delivery system for laws that already exist. The Patriot Act, the Bank Secrecy Act, anti-money laundering rules. Those laws were written for total financial surveillance. Stablecoins make that surveillance automatic. Here's what it means for you. Social security number on file, facial scan on record, driver's license linked, location tracked, devices synced, real-time monitoring by AI. With stablecoins, every dollar you spend plugs straight into Washington's surveillance grid. Buy groceries? They'll know. Donate to the wrong cause? They'll flag you. Try to move your money? They'll freeze it. Stablecoins didn't create the leash. They just hardwired it into your wallet. Not issued by Congress, not printed by the Treasury, not backed by a promise, just code. If the platform collapses, too bad. Your money is gone. They didn't just sidestep the Constitution. They shoved it headfirst into a wood chipper, turned it into confetti, and tossed it at their own victory party. And here's the kicker. The plumbing is already built. FedNow, ISO 20022, SWIFT 2025. The rails for digital money are in place. Stablecoins are just the Trojan horse, the test run riding on that highway. So when the next crisis hits, a cyber attack, a banking failure, a grid glitch, they'll say, "Don't worry, we've got a solution." And just like that, the official digital dollar goes live. But your wallet? Already wired. Your money? Already compromised. And the leash? Already hardwired. Stablecoins aren't progress. They're programmed control. They didn't fix the system. They rigged a new one. Your money is now code. Your freedom is now conditional. And the trap has already snapped shut. Over 95% of Americans have no idea this even happened. Now you do. The war on cash isn't coming. It already happened. You worked, you saved, you followed the rules, and they rewrote the rules behind your back. They devalue your money. They strip your privacy. They sell your freedom to the highest bidder. This isn't about money anymore. It's about control. It's about survival. And when everything built on paper, promises, and politics collapses, what do you want to be holding? Gold. The one thing they can't print, can't hack, can't freeze, and can't delete. Gold doesn't need permission. Gold doesn't track you. Gold doesn't come with a kill switch. It's been the wealth of kings, the refuge of nations, the last safe haven for every soul who saw the writing on the wall and acted before it was too late. Gold isn't just an investment. Gold is an escape plan, because if you can't hold it, you don't own it. And that's where Gold Wealth Management comes in. For over 15 years, Gold Wealth Management has helped Americans protect their wealth with physical gold and silver, customized to your needs, your family, and your future. While politicians and megabanks play games with your money, we help you preserve what matters most. No gimmicks, no traps, just real money you can hold in your hand. Call Gold Wealth Management today at 866-453-7587 to get your free report on Stablecoin, the evil stepbrother to a Cbdc. Because the system isn't designed to save you, it's designed to control you. But you can still take control back if you act before it's too late.